In total, this should really take you about less than 3 minutes to completely have this installed from start to finish, which is something that I really like about this really durable and comfortable chair. The seat is going to be adjustable, so it's going to be able to fit a variety of different sized desks. And it's going to be a total of about 37 inches in total height, as well as about 20 inches in width. It's going to have a rocking motion that's going to allow you to go from anywhere from 90 degrees to 105 degrees, making it that much more comfortable. Not to mention, this ergonomic design is just going to be the perfect amount of support for your back. You'll be able to relax your shoulders, have that absolute back protection, as well as some lumbar support. Last but not least, you are going to have some adjustable arms as well, which is going to help save you some space if you need to push the chair a little bit closer to your desk once you were finished with it. Overall, I absolutely love this chair. Like I said, it is beyond comfortable, and it's everything that you could possibly need or want when it comes to having an office chair desk. You are going to be extremely comfortable, you're going to have that back support, and not to mention, it was really easy to put together. Everything that you could possibly want is going to be right here with this chair.